Hi, welcome to Elonix. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to make a police lights themed LED flasher circuit using 555 timer IC. The duration between successive toggling of LED groups can also be changed by changing the value of this capacitor. You can also club this arrangement with a police siren circuit, which is the next project in this 555 timer series of projects. For the list of components required, link to the circuit diagram, or links to all the previous and upcoming projects, please go through the description below. I'll be using this row as positive rail and this as negative rail. Place 555 timer IC on the breadboard, and these are the pin numbers with respect to the notch. Connect pin 1 to positive rail and pin 2 to negative rail. Next, connect pins 2 and 6 of the IC to each other, and similarly connect pins 4 and 8 to each other. Now place a 1 megohm resistor between pin 3 and pin 6 of the 555 timer IC. Place a 1 microfarad capacitor with its positive terminal connected to pin 2 of the IC and negative terminal connected to negative rail. Place another 555 timer IC on the breadboard and make the first 5 connections exactly as we did for the previous 555 timer IC. Use a 100 nanofarad capacitor between pin 2 and negative rail instead of the 1 microfarad capacitor we used earlier. Next, place as many LEDs as you require in parallel to each other and then connect their cathodes to the output pin of the second 555 timer IC. Connect anode pins of all these LEDs to output pin of the first 555 timer IC via a series resistor. Refer to this table for finding out which value of resistor to use. Also, I've added a link to this LED series resistor calculator for any given combination of LEDs in the description below. Similarly, place another lot of LEDs in parallel to each other and connect their cathodes to the output pin of first 555 timer IC. Connect anode pins of all these LEDs to the output pin of second 555 timer IC via a series resistor. Finally, connect the power supply and the circuit is now ready. I have used a slightly bigger series resistor for both the LED groups, so the brightness is a bit less than normal. You can also arrange LEDs in series to each other instead of in parallel, and I recommend this arrangement if the supply voltage is greater than 9 volts. By the way, this capacitor is responsible for frequency of toggling between the two LED groups. So increasing this capacitor will increase the time between successive toggling between the two LED groups and vice versa. Similarly, changing this capacitor changes the blinking rate of each LED group. Now let's try to understand how this circuit works. In the previous blinking LED tutorial, we have configured 555 timer IC to operate in a stable mode, and we used two LEDs in opposite polarity at the output so that they can toggle on and off at regular intervals of time. You may refer to that video to understand the working of 555 timer IC in a stable mode and how the values of capacitor and resistor influence the flashing rate. In this circuit, we have used two copies of similar stable circuits configured at different frequencies. The first 555 timer IC uses a bigger capacitor, and so it takes more time to toggle the output. In other words, the blinking rate is less, so it blinks very less number of times per second. The second 555 timer IC uses a smaller capacitor, and so it toggles the output very fast, and you can observe the output turning on and off really quick. Now coming to the arrangement of LEDs, the first LED group turns on when there is a positive voltage at the anode and negative voltage at the cathode. And this scenario happens when the output of first 555 timer IC is on and the output of second 555 timer IC is off at the same time. Similarly, the second group of LEDs turn on only if the output of first 555 timer IC is off and the output of second 555 timer IC is on. So when the output of the first 555 timer IC is on, only the first group of LEDs have a chance of turning on and they blink at the speed with which the second 555 timer IC toggles the output. Similarly, when the first 555 timer IC turns off, only the second group of LEDs have a chance of turning on and they blink at the speed with which the second 555 timer IC toggles the output. Repetition of this cycle again and again creates this cool LED flasher effect similar to flashing lights used on police cars. This video is a part of 18 video series on projects using 555 timer IC. Do check them out if you like this video. Thanks for watching, do subscribe and have fun.